All right, and welcome back again. Okay, I know you have enjoyed yourself in the last from the start of this course and everything. But actually, we actually starting a very beautiful project here. We are starting a very beautiful project. I said we are starting a very beautiful. Just follow along carefully, and we're going to actually design a UI and UX for an online education mobile app. Okay, an online education mobile app. So we're just going to I have about 20 screens, 20 artboards that we're going to create. Yes, for this video, maybe new ideas may come. I may add up, but for now, I have an idea of creating about 20 artboards for this, and let's start with it. Okay, so we have the splash screen. We are actually going to use this splash screen. Let me disconnect first, go to design, and then let's do it. So you have a splash screen, which we are done. The name of the app is here, so I'm going to mark it as done. If you follow up on the video, you should also have that done. And yeah, so I'm going to go to the welcome screen, and I'm going to duplicate this. It's going to be a lot of duplication right here. Okay, so the going back to the splash. Okay, splash, duplicate here, but I just want it to somewhere here, so I'm going to change their position. Where's that? I'm going to change their position. Should that not be possible? Okay, I'm going to change their position from that. Oh my word, I'm not going to use this screen. Okay, I'm not going to use this home screen. I'm going to delete this home screen. I'm going to delete this. I'm not going to use this one. I'm going to delete this as well. So all right, so we can have the artboard, the splash artboard. That's going to be a splash screen for the app, and we're going to use the same thing to duplicate and then get our other app. So we have our welcome screen, and this welcome screen is going to greet us. Welcome to our app. You can learn this, you can learn that, and we're actually going to create about three of these screens, okay, to welcome the users, and each of them, in any time they open it for the first time, this is what it's going to see. This is what they will see, and they'll have the opportunity to either skip or move on to the next to see what is ahead. All right, what? So it's going to be welcome. No, things are not working like that. I don't know, my keyboard is not working. I don't know. My keyboard is not working. Okay. My keyboard is not working. Is it? Let's see. It's not working. I don't know what's happening, but I just do the renaming again, maybe later. So how am I going to put this? All right, so let's try to do, I don't know what is happening, but let me delete once again and see. Here, I'm going to drag on this. It's not working. Okay, so I have this. Funny, right? I don't know. Let's see this. Okay, Pro Max again and see. It's not working. It's not working. All right, let's move on. We can just come back to do this. I don't know why. So I want to welcome my my people to the app. So we're going to use an image of somebody probably holding up a computer. It's an online learning, so an image will be here with an inscription, and direct. I'm just going to do a whole lot of duplication, copy and pasting. All right, so just going to say yeah, my keyboard is not working, so I'll come back to this video. Okay, so we are here. Yeah, okay, we are back again. So it's now working. You can just say welcome screen. No, welcome screen. I want to create like 3, so welcome screen 1. So to have this right here, do the duplication, and right, probably saying something. Do you want to, so yeah, so it's going out like that. So you can just end it right here by creating them, giving them into a box. So we can just make a box like that. Do you want to become a software developer? So we have our promotional text right here. Do you want to become a software developer? Okay, so let's set to the middle. Do you want to become a software developer? Lovely. Okay, so do you want to become a software developer? You want to become a software developer. You want that. Okay, you can become a software developer. So you want to become a software developer, and then we have buttons to continue and then to exit. So we put our buttons right here. We have our first one on top, and then our second one below. Okay, and this one, what is it going to say? Is it going to say quit? No, next. I'm going to say next to show you another form of promotional text, right? And so about 3, I should have done this before duplication though. Okay, so to work smart on that, because we want the same thing, but here we're going to say skip. All right, good, because it's certainly going to have the same thing, right? So you can say next or skip. Okay, do you want to become a software developer? And we are still going to use this, so we can just duplicate the screen and move on. So write something here. Learn the basics of websites development. Here we have next, and then we have skip, and we're gonna have back. Okay, it should take us to back again if you want to start all over. So I'm going to do this, set this one to skip, this one to back, I don't know this, and I'm going to set this one towards skip. Okay, so and then the last screen, so this is going to be 2, and then we will have the last promotional screen. Control that's Control D to duplicate. Choose your course. To start, to get started. Keyboard choose your course to get started. Now we don't have skip again because we are not skipping to any other place. When we click on next, we are just going like that. So yeah, we can either go back. Okay, so this is what we have. These are the 4 screens we have now. So I'm going to just check up on this. I have a piece of paper in front of me that I've written all the artboards I'm going to create. So I'm just going to check on it if I've created that. All right, so the next thing is to create a login and sign up for it, because they should be able to sign up. So this, I don't need this, I don't need this, but I may need any of these things. So I'm just going to copy this. Is going to be a login, right? Okay, yes, we're dealing with the login at the moment. So, and I'm going to put this one here, say login user. Okay, so I'm going to put this one here and here, this right here, and this right here. Okay, so I'm going to duplicate. Okay, so let me have my text, my placeholder text inside of this, which is going to be what? Username. To decrease this and put it somewhere here, username. All right, I'm going to duplicate this for the password. Look at, I'm using just one color because we're dealing with the low fidelity. So when we come, we just work on it. Okay, password. Okay, and I'll have my login button somewhere here, so I'm just going to take it up. I'll take it up, increase the size to this and that. Login. Okay, so wouldn't it be nice if I put this one? Yes. So yeah, so username, password right here, and you have some text to direct them to actually create an account. So I'm just going to put this one here. Don't have an account. Alright, so if you don't have an account, what are you going to do? You're going to lead them to go to the create account page. So I'm going to say create account right here. Okay, and we're gonna have the logo of the app on top. We're gonna have the logo right here on top. Comes down small, and we have the logo right here. All right, so this is going to be the what? The login. Okay, and I'm going to duplicate this for the sign up. Okay, I'm going to duplicate it for the sign up. So sign up, and we're going to add some few things to it. What are we going to add to it? We have this. Bring it down. We bring it down here. We're going to add one more thing to it, and that is going to be, I think, to confirm password and email. So we will have this here. Then we will have another also right here. So we have username, we have email, we have password, we have confirm password. All right, so we have username, this email, and then confirm password right here. And good. Yeah, so these are our screens. Okay, so sign up user will be our title. Sign up user will be our title for this page. Good. So I'm going to check on this, and when we are back in the next video, we move on to another set of layout that we are going to add up to it. So this is what we have. We have like 6 artboard at the moment, and we'll come back to it to add more of it. Let's meet in the next video.